Hello friends, today we are going to discuss Pre-Raphaelite School of Poetry. This name suggests that the movement of poets who follow the movements of the Italian painters before Raphael. Their art, that is poetry, resembles the art, that is painting, of the painters. Before Raphael, these poets of the Victorian age drew their inspirations from the works of Italian painters in which they are found sweetness, depth, humble adherence to truth and forgetfulness. It was in 1848 Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood was found in England by three painters, including Dante, Garber, Rossetti. This very movement is given the name suggests Pre-Raphaelite School of Poetry. Among the notable poets of the school of Rossetti himself and poets like William Morris and Swinburne, the movement has its own silent features. There are various pre-Raphaelite movements characteristics. First is the revolt against conventional values. It means the of movement of the pre-Raphaelite movement revolt against the conventionality of poetry represented by Tennyson, and they oppose to the fact of harnessing the use of poetry to the service of social and political problems of the age. These poets, on the other hand, we have to introduce the new standard of the glorification and of the temporary values of man-made life. Second is the characteristic is the art for art's sake. The next remarkable feature of the Pre-Raphaelite school of poetry is it was the art for art's sake. It means there are Pre-Raphaelite were artists and art was their religion. Art was their religion. They were free from the moral and didactic purposes. There are only religion is the central theme of their work, and this respect these poets resembles John Keats, who was constant source of inspiration for them. Strong conception, imagery, situation, wealth, detail are the distinguished qualities of the poetry of the moment. Sexual passions are dealt with the more freely and frankly of this time, and usually at that time that is why they are often described as fleshy school. That their language is seriousness, and their main purpose of difficult create beauty for its own sake without the approval of the moralist. And there are the next feature is the medieval outlook. It means medieval age of the just like the romantic poets, the pre-Raphaelite poets were inspired by the Middle Ages. They were influenced by the romance, superstitions, surely mystery of the Middle Age. In this age of poetry, there is medieval age is very important. It is revival of the medieval values and added much of them. There are next feature is the pictorial quality. It means picture is the pre-Raphaelite poets is strongly pictorial. It means picture is the main source of these poets. It means if there is a word full pictures. It means sensuous description of this vivid imagery, and the poems create picture before our eyes. When we read their work, In that time, picture is before our eyes. For example, Rossetti presents like a lifelike picture of the damsel in his poem The Blessed Damsel. This is the poem of pictorial quality. In this poem, there is pictorial quality used of the poem. In this, there are music and melody is also the characteristic of this age or pre-Raphaelite poetry is rich music and melody. They sought them deliberately and sometimes at the cost, meaning to free, follow, and swift moving lines is remarkable in Swinburne. He is the supreme melodist among the pre-Raphaelite poets. The alliteration in the pre-Raphaelite poetry seems to come very spontaneously. It means very few seconds or few spontaneously. Swinburne poems, the hounds of spring is the quality of melodiousness and music. Next feature is the sensuousness. The poetry of the pre-Raphaelite poets is marked a sensuousness means the human beauty is depicted sensuously. Physical beauty of women is described freely and frankly. Physical beauty is the main theme of this sensuousness. Situation and scene, nature to our there are nature is also important in these poems. Example for the beauty of damsel, and this poem is also blessed damsel is also sensuousness poem, and this type of poetry is very sensual